Okay, this is yahama psr-550, and this is what we're gonna do. First I'm gonna switch it up just like that. So what we're gonna do here, first thing first is, let's say maybe you want to delete all your information, style, especially the one that you create already on this yahama psr-550. So all you gotta do is that first switch off this. You have to switch it off to turn it up, and then next thing you gotta do, you simply have to hold this key, this is the last key. You have to hold it while turning on your keyboard, just like this. So you can turn it on, and then you have to lift off your finger on C in order for it to remove all the things that you create from there. Simple as that. So that's what you're gonna do. So first, simply turn it off, and then press this key right here, and then turn on. Press this, and then while turning on, and then you have to lift your finger just like that. Okay, so that is how you can reset your psr-550. It work with any yahama keyboard. So all you gotta do is that, just do that. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.